We are in the Daytime Kitchen with lifestyle expert Liz Bushong. Great to see you again.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
Yes, and you know, we haven't gotten through Halloween yet, but
it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I'm sorry,
Absolutely.
but this is a cookie Christmas countdown that you're doing, right?
Yes. On my website, I have other Christmas cookie ideas, and the point is to make your cookies ahead, so we all don't get our little panties in a wad, you know, right before Christmas.
So true. Like they tell you about your presents ahead of time, but I think this is fantastic.
I like this.
Well, this is fun and easy. It'll take not very long to make. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a Kit Kat Christmas tree.
Cute.
And if we have time, we'll do the snowman face. And that's just really, really easy.
Right.
So the first thing you want to do is buy an extra large Kit Kat.
Okay.
And then you want to take a serrated knife, and you can score your chocolate. We're going to make the big tree first.
All right.
Oh,
Liz, this makes me nervous.
yeah,
All right.
just cut all the way through.
All right. Okay.
And while she's doing that, you also want to take a Ziploc baggie and fill it with candy melts. Take a mixing bowl, fill it with water, put it in the microwave about 5 minutes, and then dump your bag in there.
This is so interesting, yeah,
And
because
it melts the melts.
what I have seen in the past is you pour the candy melts in the bowl and then you throw that in the microwave. But this is easier because then it's already in your bag.
It's already in your bag. You're going to pipe it, and so I made a little clip on the end. But okay,
How'd I do?
You did
Beautiful.
perfect. Look how good that is. Okay, now you're going to keep these pieces.
Okay.
Because you're going to make a trunk. So go ahead and take one of these pieces and where the wedge is. Yep. And then make it flat. Make it like a tree trunk.
All right.
And then this came in 2 pieces, so we're going to have to mend it a little bit. Put some melted candy melts together like that.
Oh, all right, and that's just going to act like your glue.
Yes. Now let's get all these out of the way. And then what you're going to do
That's not
is...
straight at all, Liz. That's
Well, there
terrible.
you go. Keep going. It's
right.
a little bit off, but that's okay.
All right, so you can play with
Not
it.
all Christmas trees are perfect.
I
That's
know,
true.
exactly. So you know when you do strawberries and you see them with the chocolate on it?
Yeah.
They usually start to do that in one sweeping motion. So I'm going to get it started and then I'll let you try it. But you start over here on the side and get your motion going.
Oh,
like this.
all right.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
And then you just go back and forth. Now, if you want to, what I did, I added lights. So you can start at the top and make something like this, just swing it around. And you're supposed to be decorating this, and I'm in
that's
doing it.
Cute. All right.
So the last
I love
thing
it.
you want to do is put your little star on, like that. And then you can just decorate. If you want to, you can do that on yours, too.
All
if you
right,
wanna
while
try
she's
it.
doing that, just briefly explain the snowball.
Yeah.
Could you hand me the snowball,
I sure can.
please?
Here you go.
This is Hostess Snowball. It's already made. And all you have to do, and I need those icing
You got it.
bags. Thank you. So we're going to take, let's just take red. We're going to make a headband. I'm going to try to do this upside down. You just pipe it on. This is like a tip number 4 or 5.
Okay.
And then take your little Oreo cookies, mini Oreos.
So cute.
Isn't that adorable?
Oh my, that is so
And then you can take black frosting and make your eyes. Now here's another tip. If you don't want to make your frosting, go to your local grocery store in the deli and you can buy frosting. If you just
buy it.
Buy
Oh,
it.
that's good to know.
Yeah. There you go.
That is adorable.
Isn't that cute?
And it
how
took
long
you...
did that? 2 seconds.
Yeah, 2 seconds to make
I know.
that.
So
I
you
can do
could
that
do
one
this
too.
with your kids.
And my Christmas tree looks good too.
Oh, it does. Now,
Doesn't
when
it?
that, yes, and we want to, whoops.
So yeah, we'll work on that. But
Yeah, we can
you
try
have
that.
more ideas on your
Yes.
website, right?
Yes.
Lizbushong.com, and you have
fine.
all these great ideas, so you can count down to Christmas gradually instead of last minute. Oh, what am I going to do?
Exactly. So it's all fun.
And we're going to offer up the recipes on our website, daytimeblueridge.com. Click on food and look for the Countdown Christmas. Thank you, Liz.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.